In the state of California, there are several defenses to criminal cases. These defenses include the lack of probable cause in the initial stop, the illegal search or seizure, and throwing out evidence. That can also include lack of evidence to support the charges. There's also defenses of alibi, of self-defense, and of necessity. In the state of California, your Fourth Amendment right to protect you from illegal searches and seizures can help you in your criminal case in great ways. Basically, if your attorney can convince the court that you were illegally searched or your evidence or your property was illegally seized, the remedy is that the court can exclude anything that came from that illegal search or seizure from trial, and oftentimes results in the dismissal of your case. If you are arrested for a crime and the police at your arrest did not inform you of your Miranda rights, then anything that you say cannot be used against you in your trial. So anything that you told the police, any confessions, will not be presented and oftentimes can result in the dismissal or reduction of charges against you. In the state of California, if you are charged with a crime, you have the right to file for a motion to dismiss your case. In order to file this motion and to prevail, you need to show that there is a lack of evidence or there is a legal deficiency by which this case should be dismissed without having a jury hear the case. In a criminal case in the state of California, a motion to suppress evidence is a motion where you are presenting to the judge evidence that the DA has against you that was either obtained in violation of your constitutional rights or the evidence itself violates the evidence code. By filing this motion, you're asking the judge to exclude this evidence altogether so that it can't be used against you. The result, when the judge grants it, oftentimes leads to a full dismissal, and if not, generally a large reduction in the charges that are against you and in the results of your case. In a criminal case in the state of California, the prosecution has a burden of proof to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you committed the crime. This burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt is the highest burden that there is in the legal system. Unfortunately, it's hard to define. The court will generally explain to a jury the concept of beyond a reasonable doubt as what it says, beyond reasonable doubt. However, they can't assign a percentage or anything that quantifies it. It's for the jury to interpret. But it is beyond a reasonable doubt, which is by far the highest burden that there is in the judicial system.